Hey, I'm hype. I'm about to spill some tea. I'm hype. I'm about to spill some tea. I'm hype. I'm about to spill some tea. If you want to listen, listen to me. What's up, y'all? It's your girl KimaCole back with another video, and today I'm gonna be talking about prom dresses. Yes, because prom dress season is here, and honestly I should have made this video earlier, but nah, whatever. This is for y'all for next year. Alright, it's about to be lit. I'm about to show y'all how to get a designer looking prom dress for under, well, basically not over $150 or $200 or less, because y'all already know if y'all want those designer looking prom dresses, it'd be costing like $500 to $1,000 plus. Like, nah, I'm not doing all of that. No, I still want to have the look, but on a budget. Okay, first things first, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Like, please subscribe to this video. Like, please, like, you looking at it, subscribe. I just want to say something real quick. Follow me on social media, like my Instagram. Like, keep up with me. I'm about to start posting a lot on my Instagram stories, on my Instagram wall. Like, follow your girl at SHEKIMACOLE, and follow my Snapchat at SHEKIMACOLE. Let's turn up together. Like, why not? Like, for real, why not? Like, what's stopping y'all? What's stopping y'all from following your girl? Like, you're not gonna regret it. Like, for real. Follow her. Alright, now let's get into this prom dress thing. So, I remember I was looking all over for a dress because I was going to a ball, and I'm like, oh my gosh, like, I need a dress, a poppin' dress, but I didn't want to spend so much money. So I'm like on Instagram looking at designers, looking what people could do. I'm looking at the kind of dress that I want, the style that I'm looking for. You know, I want it to be like a long train, this and that. I want like a little feathers around the trim. I want all of that. So I'm like, oh my gosh, what can I do? And I've been looking so long that I didn't even realize I only had probably 2 weeks to a week left of the event. And I'm like, dang, I definitely can't get no designer now, because they be wanting you to go like months in advance, and I literally had 2 weeks left. So during my search, I was just so discouraged, because I'm like, I don't know what to do. Like, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna wear? I don't know what to do. So I'm just looking. I still had hope. I'm looking on websites. I'm like, maybe I could get this, maybe I could get that. But it wasn't doing it for me. Like, these dresses weren't doing it for me at all. So, you know, I put 2 and 2 together and thought of this great idea, like I always do, you know. I thought about this great idea, like, look at these dresses that these designers are making. Like, look what they're making. Me and my sister was just brainstorming on what to do, and we thought of, like, why not just get a dress that I really, really like, nothing long, no long train, anything. Like, you know, just one of those dresses that you go out with, like a party dress or something like that. But something that's cute. The bottom I could get made by a designer, but not no expensive designers. You know, those people who really know how to sew really good. I got it done from an African guy, because, you know, Africans, they're really good with the sewing. So, and they don't charge too much money around my way. So basically I was just gonna think, like, get the top part of the dress and have somebody make the bottom part of the dress, and just put it all together and you have a full gown. If you don't know what I'm talking about, keep listening to this video because I'm about to spill the tea. I'm gonna show you what my dress looked like. I'm gonna show you how I got it done, what I did, and how I just pulled it off. Like, it was popping. Like, point blank, period. It was popping. I was looking all over for dresses. I'm looking online, I'm doing this, doing that, da 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 da. You know, I'm just looking for dresses, like just top part of the dresses. And I'm like looking at sparkly stuff, this and that, but I didn't really want sparkly. I just wanted something kind of simple. I wanted something kind of simple but cute at the same time. So this is the dress. Let me see if it's still on the website, because if it is, I'm about to show y'all. I got the top part of my dress from Fashion Nova. The shipping took like a week to come. And the bottom part of the dress, I bought. I get into that. Let me just show y'all the top part of the dress. So first things first, like, I wanted my dress to be black. And I'm like, because I just wanted something simple, dark looking black dress. So I was looking for the top part of the dress to be black, and I went on a Fashion Nova website to look for different dresses that will look good. I got a Fashion Nova dress. It was black. It was like a choker, and it was a long V-neck, and the skirt was short, probably like to the middle of my thighs. This is the dress that I got from Fashion Nova. It's a black long V-neck dress, and it stops right here to the middle of my thighs. I went to the fabric store and I took this dress with me, and I was like just matching fabrics to see what I want for the bottom of it, like for the skirt part of the dress. You know, I wanted it to be like wide, you know, like dramatic looking. I went to like different people who sew and, you know, tailors. I went to an African tailor, and, you know, he was like, he need this, that, that, and he could do it for me for a good price. I'm like, yeah. I finally matched the fabric from a fabric store that I went to, and then I went to the tailor, and I told him what I wanted. I showed him images of how I wanted it to be, and I also wanted to add like feathers around the, what do you call it, the train of the dress or something like that. I just wanted feathers around it, and I ordered my feathers from Amazon, which was cheap. It was, I think, these are the feathers that I ordered. I still have a lot more left. And I wanted him to put it like around the train of the dress. And let's say the dress cost me about, how much do dresses cost me on Fashion Nova? Like $40, $50. And for him to do it for me was like another $50, $40. I forgot how much everything costs. I just know the train of the dress, the feathers, and my dress and everything, that came up to about $120. I don't know how much it came, but it was not more than $150. It was less than $150, and I got a bomb looking dress. I'm gonna insert clips, videos, and pictures, whatever it is that I have, so y'all can see the type of dress that I had. And honestly, you can do that with any dress. Like, just buy a party dress. Buy, you know, those dresses that you see in the stores that's like shiny and it's short, or like, you know, just a nice black dress, or pink, blue, red, whatever color dress, those short dresses that you wear to like places or events. Get that, attach a skirt to it in whatever design you want, however you want him or her to like design the bottom half of your dress, and it's gonna look like a poppin' dress. And I'm so happy that everything fit great. I'm happy with how it turned out. I'm just happy with everything. I just spilled some tea on how you guys can get a designer looking prom dress for cheap. Just make sure you order the top part of the dress like I did, attach a skirt, and, you know, extra feathers, cause you know it's lit. Gonna be looking in there looking cute. And yes, I was runner up for best dress. You know, I was looking popping up in there. I'm not trying to be too cocky, but my dress was cute. And yeah, but like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Your girl KimaCole coming out with the hitters. You already know. No, that's how I does. Okay. Oh, hey. And let me tell you something about these designers overcharging. I honestly really don't like how all of these designers design prom dresses. I feel like they're getting away with murder. Like, isn't like, you could tell they're not the best designers, but people just running with them just because. Like, y'all charging too much and not giving out good work. Like, you're not having it, it's not even fitting the person right. It's not coming out how they like it. Like, I don't like that. If you're gonna do something, then do it good. Especially if you want to charge that much money, then make sure you're doing a good job. Yo, but yeah, it's your girl KimaCole, and I'm out. Deuces.